And up, down, like the waves on a rebound. Signals just flying from them to you, so it didn't really matter where they went somehow. You could find it, cold comfort in the words of an air. You could act it so distant, all the colors spinning together to black. Even though it could flicker around in the circling seas like the ropes. That is not imaginary, one was written down so freak out loud. Picture perfect telemetry voice within you. Directing brain the category of dust in your receiver. Green crash on the fan solo for new platform. Playing side by side, no concussion, rolling dust. The only day didn't feel empty was to strap down in the grease of the rest of the day. So a bond would be good, find it all lost. He knew that it never from somewhere in the schools. Gymnasiums of the unblocked stuff. And the empty building of recent history and left over the vacuums as whiteboard marker bands. And always an overhead projector somehow left with the mouth. Always a dried up mouth. But the hot water was magically free. The hot water was magically free. Yeah, the hot water was magically free. The hot water was magically free. The hot water